our honoree, Bob Williberg, on her behalf, Ma'am Grace Williberg, relatives, guests, to our retired district supervisor, Ma'am Millie Amar, to all school heads, teachers, friends, good afternoon and mabuhay. Sir Bob, mayroon akong tatlong bagay na ibigay sa iyo o salita pala. Itong tatlo na ito, good luck, good health, God bless you. But first and foremost, thank you so much. Thank you very much for serving DepEd for more than 22 years, molding the children, nurturing the kids, and taking care of children at Talian Elementary School and teachers under your supervision, as far as I know. And good luck. The word good luck to your beautiful journey when you will retire. Where you will go, we are there to pray for you. At good luck sa bago mong career kung ano ang inyong mga plano sa buhay, kasama ang inyong pamilya at kaibigan o mga kaparentihan. Good health, Sir Bob. In DepEd, you must undergo medical check-up that is mandated. And now, as private man, this is my motherly advice. Regular check-up because may kasabihan tayo, ang kalusugan ay kayamanan. Next word, God bless you always. Lord, Father Almighty, sana po gabayan mo si Bob Villaber after his retirement sa kanyang bago o sisimulan na mga gawain para sa kabutihan sa kanyang pamilya, sa mga kaibigan, sa bayan at sa mamayan. In shortcut, good luck, good health, God bless you, goodbye, and mabuhay.